Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my black tea rinse. So to start with, I'm using 2 cups of water and 4 black tea bags, and I'll be boiling that for about 20 minutes and allow it to steep overnight. So the next morning I pour the cool tea into a spray bottle. This just makes the application so much easier and less messy. So I'm about 8 weeks post a relaxer and I have quite a bit of new growth. So I'm going to shampoo first with my 2-in-1 moisturizing and detangling shampoo. If you're not familiar with black tea rinses, it's a natural treatment made from brewed black tea that's rich in caffeine and antioxidants. The caffeine in the black tea helps to block DHT, a hormone linked to hair shedding, while the antioxidants help stimulate the scalp and promote a healthier environment for growth. It also helps reduce breakage, strengthen weak strands, and refresh the scalp. I'm just going to lather my hair twice with this shampoo just to ensure that it's thoroughly cleansed and ready to go. And yeah, so lately I've been shedding a little bit more than usual, I'll say. I know that we typically shed anywhere from about 50 to 100 strands per day, but for some reason I'm noticing a little bit more than that. But typically in this case I usually do my black tea rinse. It never fails me. So now it's time to apply the tea. My hair is clean and down and ready for the application. I mainly focus on the scalp because that's where the caffeine works best to stimulate growth and reduce shedding. And as you can see, I gently massage it on using my fingertips to boost circulation and help the tea penetrate well. Once my scalp is covered, I lightly mist the rest of my hair to make sure every section is getting the strengthening goodness. Yeah, so I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes I like to cover my hair with a plastic cap during this time to avoid drips. Yes, so I'm not going to apply any heat. I'm just going to sit for 30 minutes and then I'll rinse it out with my Ghanaian conditioner. Now it's time to restore moisture because black tea can be a bit drying. I apply my deep conditioner generously in sections, making sure to coat every strand from root to tip, and I do that for every section. Once I'm done applying, I cover my hair with a plastic cup and I'll sit under my steaming cup for about 30 minutes and then rinse it out with cool water. This step helps balance out the strength from the tea with softness and moisture. After rinsing out my deep conditioner, it's time to lock everything in. So I'm going to be moisturizing and sealing. So I'm going to be applying my leave-in to my damp hair, then seal in that moisture using my avocado oil and that over it. I'm going to be air drying, so no heat, no blow drying. I'll just let my hair air dry and that is it. Now my hair is all dried and my hair feels stronger, refreshed and well moisturized. This is the amount of hair I lost. Black tea rinses are great to include in your routine once every few weeks, especially if you deal with shedding or weak hair. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more relaxed hair care videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy. Bye.